How to fix network problem in Telegram app. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix network problem in Telegram app. There are 3 steps. First one is make sure that your data is all on. Make sure that your internet connection is on. And the second step is you can do is go to your settings, click on settings and go for install apps. Click on install apps and now search for Telegram. Click on Telegram and you can see the force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And the last step is go back to the settings, go to about phone and click on about phone, and you can see system update. Press on system update, and if there is anything available for system update, you have to update it and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.